Hello guys, this is a vertical furnace. It is used at the heat source for the thermal oil heating system. We can tell this is a vertical furnace and it is mainly for some plants who want to use the wood or some other agro waste as the fuel. And we also can do the thermal oil furnace with gas and diesel as the fuel. But that will be the lying down design. So this is the vertical design, which is only different in the design and in the outlooking. But their working principle is basically the same, is to use the fuel to heat the thermal oil and then pump the thermal oil into the circulating pipes to heat the edible oil. Comparing to the electric heating method, thermal oil heating method is more economic and is more stable. But it's usually for clients whose capacity is over 2,000 liters per day. But for small capacity, we can also customize clients with a thermal heating system. Thank you very much.